Today, you get a twofer. We've got my Stitch Fix unboxing, plus we've got some wonderful pieces from Ana Luisa. So hang around and we'll see what I've got. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I love to do unboxings, clothes, jewelry. I like to do shopping hauls and try-ons. If you like that kind of content, then I invite you to hit that subscribe button so that we can keep hanging out. Hit the notification bell so that you always know when I've gone on another one of my fashion adventures. And yeah, if you like this video, please give me the like. Leave me a comment. All those things help me grow my channel, and I really do appreciate it. As I do appreciate you spending part of your day with me. So super excited today to share with you my most recent Ana Luisa pieces. Now, Ana Luisa is a jewelry company based in New York, and the thing about them that is really important to me is that they are a sustainable company. And they have pieces that, if I had to describe it, I would say it is affordable luxury. So they send it in the box, and then you open it up, and it says, "Greetings from New York." And then there's a little message. And then they've got it in a box and also in a pouch. And I believe they are moving toward the cardboard boxes. The pouches are lovely. I mean, they're very high quality, but I don't get a lot of use out of them. So I like that they are moving to something that is more recyclable. And let's see what they sent me. And Ana Luisa, this is a collaboration with Ana Luisa. So it opens up and it is this gorgeous gold two circles intertwined. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. It's very delicate, fine jewelry. Very beautiful. All right. I have wanted a necklace like that for a really long time, so I'm really excited, that they sent it to me. The other great thing about Ana Luisa right now is they are having a Black Friday sale that is just not to be missed. It is amazing. All right, this is the other piece, and it's got snaps there, and this is another gold necklace, and it is V with crystals. Can you see the crystals? So those are both so pretty. I can't decide which one I want to wear first. I think I might wear this one. So yeah, I will post a link below so that you can check out the amazing Black Friday sales that they are having and start your shopping. If you have not already started your shopping, do not waste any time so that you can get some great gifts at some great prices. And also, you know, get a gift for yourself too. All right, let's see. Okay, so there it is. And it's got the adjustable where you can, you know, have it at different lengths. And it's got the lobster claw hook. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. All right, how pretty is that? So pretty. Let's see, what else about Ana Luisa? I have some other pieces and they've just worn really well. They just are gorgeous and are wearing very well. So that is my Ana Luisa pieces. All right, Stitch Fix, subscription styling service. They send you 5 items, although they have been having some, they send you a preview of 10 items. And you can pick usually up to 5, but several times they've been saying that you can pick up to 8, and then they will send you all 8. If you don't pick more than 5 or less than 5, you'll only get 5. Shipping is included both ways, and looks like there's some jewelry in here as well. I believe I picked 2 things from my preview. And those are some pretty colors. Yes, indeed. We've got red and blue and black and burgundy. All right, unbundle. All right, first up, we have got a sweater, it looks like, by 41 Hawthorn. It is the Kelsey Scallop Rib Cardigan in blue. And that is like my favorite shade of blue. And it's got the scallop edge on the bottom and the sleeve. That's so pretty. Buttons all the way down. And let's see what it's made of. I cannot remember what I chose. It's 80% rayon and 20% nylon. I'll tell you what, if that fits, that's probably going to be a keeper. All right, next up, I think I chose this. This is the Letty and Me Leana Pointelle Detail Cardigan in black. And it is an open cardigan, no buttons. And the Pointelle is at the top of the back and at the bottom. And then a little bit at the cuff. Okay. And then the red item is Evolution by Cyrus. It is a Stitch Fix exclusive, and it is the Cali cardigan in red. So it's a shorter cardigan. This is the box of the cardigans, and that's pretty. That would be nice for the holidays. And then Maggie London, the Nella cable knit skater dress. Okay, so this is a dress, and it's kind of flares out, and it's got cable knit and just a crew neck. Okay, those are all really nice pieces. I chose the black cardigan. I think I might have chose that dress too. And then last, we have some earrings by Nakamol. And I think these may have been in my saved items. So they're silver and just kind of a, I'm not quite sure how to describe them. Do we have a name? Don't know. All right, let's take a peek at the, and it comes with a little bag, I guess if you want to gift it or to store it. All right. Hi, Andrea. Happy Fix Day. I hope this fix finds you well. I see that you chose some really great items from the Fix preview this month. The dress is soft and cozy and also very elegant for the cool months ahead. I noticed both the Kelly drop earrings from Nakamol and red Cali cardigan were saved in your Freestyle saved items. So Freestyle is their shop where you can just go in and purchase things. They send it to you. I think they give you 30 days to decide if you want to keep it. You do pay for it up front, unlike the boxes. And if you save things, your stylist can see that, and if they're available, they can send them to you. It helps them, learn your style and what kind of things you want. They were available for me to add, so I took a chance knowing that they caught your eye over the last couple months. The earrings will be perfect with the dress as well as so much in your closet. I did not mean for this fix to have so many cardigans, but I had to add the pretty royal blue ribbed cardigan, knowing that it is one of your favorite colors. Wear it over a tank with jeans or even a silk slip skirt. I look forward to your videos and your feedback soon. So Marcia has been my stylist for, I want to say, probably a couple years, and she really turned things around for me with Stitch Fix because I was pretty frustrated, and she watched my video and offered to style me, and she's just been great. So these are all awesome pieces, and yeah, I just keep looking at that because it's so beautiful. I will show you my outfit of the day, and then we'll do the try-on. Okay, super casual today. I am wearing these joggers that I got in I think it was a Beachly box. I can't remember now, but they're really comfortable. I like them. This is it's a very casual look. And then this is a plaid flannel shirt that I got it's by rail. I got it at a Nordstrom anniversary sale. And then this is a cardigan that I got from Stitch Fix. So, and just wearing my UGG slippers. So just super casual. Let's try some clothes on. Okay, this is the sweater dress from Maggie London. It is really soft, very comfortable. It's in this burgundy color, which is the hot color this season. And it goes just below my knees, which I think is a really nice length. I paired it with just some black ankle booties. Honestly, I would probably wear black tights with this, but I was too lazy to put on tights. The sleeves are a little bit long, but not too bad. I'm gonna come up a little closer so you can see. I do think I would wanna wear some lighter shapewear with it. Nothing heavy duty, but just to kind of smooth things out. It's got the kind of scoop neck. I like this dress a lot. I don't wear a lot of dresses in the cooler months. I'm more of a summer dress kind of girl, but I feel like this would be really nice for like a holiday party or Thanksgiving. I think it would be perfect for Thanksgiving. And yeah, and you can see that the necklace is, perfect length for this type of neckline. So what do you think of this dress? Is it a keeper? I like it a lot. It's really soft, little flare. So it has a little movement. What do you think? All right, let's go on the cardigan tour. Okay, this is the royal blue cardigan with the scallop edges, and I really like this too. It's nice and lightweight. It comes down kind of below my hips. It's not, I wouldn't call it tunic length, but it is longer. It's really soft. It's got these wide ribs. I paired it with just some black jeans and black ballet flats, but let me come up closer so you can see some of the details. So it's, buttons, little gapping at the buttons, but that doesn't really bother me. The arms, again, little long, but I think this is really pretty. I love the color. And yeah, I think that this is a keeper also. We'll have to see what the prices are like, but so far, 2 thumbs up. Okay, kept on the black jeans and put on a black tank to pair with the other 2 cardigans. This is the one by, I'm pretty sure LETY and Me. It's the black Pointelle. This is just okay. Probably the black tank wasn't the best. It feels kind of baggy. It's very thin, and yeah, the sleeves are very long, so I don't know if it's an extra small. It's definitely not a petite. So this one is just okay. The other 2 pieces I really liked a lot, so this one I'm feeling like is just okay. That's from the back. So let's go ahead and try on that red cardigan. Okay, this one is by Evolution by Cyrus, and it is thicker. It almost has like a blazer feel. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, I have been on the hunt for a red blazer, but the way this is cut, yeah, I feel like this could be the blazer-ish thing I've been looking for. First, I wasn't too excited when I took it out of the box, but now that I've got it on, I quite like it. What do you think? I mean, this looks super cute, like with the black tank and the black jeans. I like this blazer. I like it a lot. Okay, I also put on the other Ana Luisa piece, the two circles. And again, very beautiful, very delicate, just the kind of stuff that I like to wear. So I like both pieces that they sent me. I can't say that I have a favorite because they're both just so lovely. So I do want to show you those earrings, and I'll show you that when I'm doing the recap. I just wanted to pop back in because I neglected to point out this detail in the sweater. I'm not quite sure what you would call that, but it does add a little extra zhuzh to it. Okay, prices and a recap. Such a good box. Okay, let's see. I showed you this, and I did want to again remind you that Ana Luisa is having a fabulous Black Friday sale, and you do not want to wait on this because you know things sell out quickly when they're having such an amazing sale. So we'll leave the link below. Make sure you check it out and get yourself a gift if you're getting gifts for others. Okay, so the earrings, I quite like those. So let's talk about prices. And these are the Nakamol Kelly drop earring, and they are $34, which I think is a very fair price for a pair of nice earrings. The Evolution by Cyrus Cali cardigan in red. This is extra small. This is $69. And like I said, it gives me blazer vibes because of the way it was cut. So I am really thinking about keeping that. And I said that was $69. I think I said that. The Letty and Me Leana Pointelle detail cardigan in black. This is extra small, which is surprising. It's $49. And this is the one item that I wasn't that excited about, but you know how it works with Stitch Fix math. And then we have the 41 Hawthorn Kelly Scallop Rib cardigan in blue. This is also extra small. This is $59. Love this. And the London Times Nella cable knit skater dress in, they're saying red. I think that's more burgundy, maroon. And that's $78. So that's the most expensive thing in the box. And I really like that. I think that will look great for Thanksgiving, so it's very timely. The Stylist Pick subtotal is $289. The buy all discount is 25% off, so that would take off $72.25, bringing the total down to $216.75. They do charge a $20 styling fee. However, I did get my Style Pass renewed last month before, can't remember, recently. So I don't pay a styling fee. If you do pay that styling fee, then anything you purchase, they would deduct that from it. So $216.75. I actually think that that's a really good deal for, you know, a very nice sweater dress, really cute earrings, two great cardigans, and one that I mean, it wouldn't make sense for me to send that cardigan back because it's $49 and the buy all discount is $72.25. So I think I'm going to keep it all and maybe put that cardigan on my Poshmark store. Yeah, if I can leave that link below for you, I will. So if you like that cardigan and are interested in it, I would be posting it at a discount of the $49. All right, this is such a good box, and I'm so excited with my Ana Luisa jewelry. Yeah, let me know what you think, what you thought. Did you agree with all the things that I'm in love with? Was there anything that you were like, oh, Andrea, you should think about that? Yeah, I love getting my Stitch Fixes. I love getting Ana Luisa jewelry, and I love sharing my videos with you. And until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.